If you need to delete all channels messages at once in Telegram, this quick tutorial will show you the fastest way to clear everything in just a few clicks using Telegram Desktop. This is a really useful option if you want to clean up an old channel, remove outdated posts, or start fresh without scrolling through and deleting messages one by one. Before we begin, make sure you're in the correct channel because once you clear the history, those messages are gone from the chat for you. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Telegram guides. Now let's get into it. First, open Telegram Desktop on your computer and go to the channel where you want to remove all messages. Make sure you've selected the correct channel from your list, especially if you manage multiple channels or groups. Once the channel is open, look at the top right corner of the window and click the three dots menu. This menu gives you the main options for managing the channel. From the drop-down list, select Clear History. Telegram will usually show you a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to proceed, since this action removes the chat history from the channel view. Take a moment to double-check that you're clearing the right channel, and then click Clear to confirm. After that, Telegram will remove the channel messages at once. Depending on how active the channel is, it should happen almost immediately. And that's it. You've successfully deleted all channel messages at once in Telegram using Telegram Desktop. It's a simple method, but it can save a lot of time if you need to clean things up fast. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.